Agat Bay and nearby Apra Harbor are a wreck diver's paradise, offering a glimpse into the maritime history of Guam and the Pacific. Like the Tokai Maru and SMS Cormorant II, lying side by side in an unlikely embrace. Now these wrecks are artificial reefs, providing a habitat for a diverse array of marine life. Where destruction has given way to vibrant ecosystems, a powerful reminder of the ocean's ability to heal and regenerate. Exploring these sites is a lesson in resilience, a chance to witness the transformative power of nature firsthand. Nature reclaims, heals, and transforms even the scars of war, turning them into havens for life and beauty.